Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. So today we're doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks, and I have this really cute planner band on my cover this week from TabbyCatClips, and I think it's adorable. So let's get in and see what's going on. Oh, apparently I can't find my spot. This is what this past week looked like. It filled in quite nicely. I love the color of the kit. It's from Simply Beautiful Plans. A lot of really nice functionals, filled it out nicely. This week we're planning the week of May the 13th to the 19th. I hope you all had a really nice Mother's Day on Sunday. I'm a little bit behind on my filming. Today is Tuesday the 14th. We're going to be using a kit from So Cute Planner, and it's really cute. I love the colors. It's a cactus kit. And I'm going to be using some functionals from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans and the Prairie Planner, so I'm going to be using some gold foil today. So let's get started. We'll lay down the bottom washi. Oops. Succulents are a really big thing this year. Are you? Do you like succulents? I've been a sucker for them. I like them in my decor, and I like them in my planner. So I'm planning with them a lot. Hopefully you're still in frame. So I'll get this bottom washi down. And the kits from So Cute Planner, I noticed that their washi isn't as large, isn't as tall as what other ones. So I'm going to supplement it with some washi from Simply Gilded. It's black with silver foil, although I know I'm using gold in the kit this week, but I didn't have a black and gold one to go with it. I'm just using my blade to cut it. Have to be really careful that I don't cut through the paper. Oops. So this week is finally nice in Canada. We've got some warm weather. It seems like it was warmer in March than it is now, but the sun is out, the weather's warm, the birds are singing. We have birds everywhere right now. My yard is full of them. My feeders are full of them, all the orioles. And the grosbeaks, and now the catbirds are back, so the feeders are hopping. Soon we'll have babies. They're all, oops, washi stuck under there. They're all building their nests right now. Do you plan in the Hobonichi? I am sold on this planner. I just, I love the way it's so small and I can put it in my purse. I've started carrying it with me when I go out. I can make my shopping lists in the back. I've got a surprise coming up in the next little bit. One of the ladies that I know, one of my planner friends, she, her mother makes Hobonichi covers, and they're all fabric, so they're really pretty. And so right now she's going on vacation, but when she comes back, hopefully I'm going to have it. I'm really looking forward to receiving it. It's so pretty. So I block this off. I section this off because I do my weather and my meals. You all know that if you've been watching me for a while. Hope I can get this in straight. So the Big Bang Theory, the finale is on Thursday. I'm going to be sorry to see it go. I did a video. I'll link it in the description box. I did a plan with me the other day with a kit from Fabulously Planned, and it's really cute. It's a Big Bang Theory kit. So I'm just going to make another 2, 3, 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So right here. I'm talking to myself clearly because I wasn't talking loud enough. I have a problem with my voice trailing off, so if you don't hear me, I apologize. I'm trying to get better at it. I put that right over top of the washi. Simply Gilded has got some beautiful colors. They're washi tapes, but I don't have a lot of them in every foil color because the foil colors change. They're so pretty, but I don't have them all. Actually, I've got little pieces of washi tape all over me. So I'm going to put down a couple of habit trackers. They come with the kit. Some pretty colors. 2 of them are in the kit. I usually track a few more things in this planner. I use it for wellness and whatnot. I'm going to put a theme sticker right here. And then that saves the top space for some to-dos and whatnot. I think I brought my to-do stickers out with me. Yeah, I do. These are from Fabulously Planned. They were a $2 Tuesday, or sorry, a $1 Wednesday. So I'll put that here. And then I'm going to put out an important heading, so just so that I can remember things that I need to do this week. Make a little running total. So I should probably put the date covers down. So it's a nice week here. I already said that. I'm going to try and get out to do some bird watching. The birds are all back on the lakes as well, so we've got some nice blue herons and some trumpet swans and whatnot. It's nice to get out and take some pictures of them. And there's a little sanctuary, an animal sanctuary close to us. I think we're going to try out and get out there this week and take some photos. As you know, my husband Luke is a photographer and primarily shoots wildlife, and so we're hoping to get out and take some photos of I think they've got monkeys and cats and whatnot. They're all rescued animals. They're not taken from life and put into captivity. These are all rescue animals that they have in the location. So rest assured, they're not bringing anybody in or taking them away from their homes. Let's see. Let's put in some of these checklists along the days so I can plan my tasks, keep a running list. Guess I'm not very talkative today. It's not like me. Usually I'm telling stories and whatnot. It's a quiet day for me. I'm dying to get outside. It's beautiful out there. There we go. So that's it for that. Let's go ahead and put in the day-to-day. As this is Tuesday, I already did some stuff on Monday, and I filmed and uploaded a video. So I'll put those in. And these are from the Prairie Planner. And right now she has gold, silver, and rose gold foil. This is a custom script that I asked her to make me. So today I'm filming and uploading again, which is this video. Oh boy. There we go. I struggle getting these the clear stickers off of the sheets. That's just what you want to hear. I'm sure it sounds just like nails on a chalkboard right now. So, and then I'm going to film again on Sunday. So I do a film and an upload on Sunday. and that's normally when I film my Hobonichi. And it was supposed to have been this week. I'm doing a collaboration with Cricket from Planner Nina Cricket in our Hobonichis. We're going to be using another kit from So Cute Planner. It was, time got away from me this week, so we didn't do it this week. I'm going to do my nails. They're in dire need, and this little nail sticker is from Lil'Annabelle's Plans. It's in gold foil. Her shop offers gold, silver, rose gold, and copper. And I am PR for both of these shops. You can find the information below. So beginning, this is my meal tracker. I'm going to put one of these really nice meal icons, and she does these in color as well as the foil. And Wednesdays I meal plan because I shop on Thursdays. So I'm going to put this meal plan sticker in. Again, they're from Lil'Annabelle's Plans, and this is a custom script. She does custom scripts. And she does them in black, or she does them in the foils. So as I said, Thursdays I grocery shop. So I'm going to put this down on Thursday. Get that out of the way. Friday's new releases, again from Lil'Annabelle's Plans. So Lil'Annabelle's Plans does new releases every other Friday, and the Prairie Planner does them every Friday. So this is planned with next week's script. This goes on Sunday because I plan on Sundays. So I'll put that in. I also do laundry on Sundays. It's my laundry day. Again, from Lil'Annabelle's Plans. Friday is garbage day, so I'm going to use these little garbage cans from Lil'Annabelle's Plans as well. And then I know the weather from yesterday, and it was cloudy, so I'm going to put the cloudy sticker in. And today is sun and cloud, so I'm going to put them in. And these are from the Prairie Planner, and they're full sheets. I've got them cut to fit in the back of my Hobonichi. So I know that the temperature was so cold yesterday. It was 8 degrees, and this is Canadian, 8 degrees, and it was 4 last night. And today's going to be a high of 16, and it's going to be 7 overnight. So I've got that tracked. And last night I had chow mein for dinner, and tonight I'm having leftovers. So I've got that done. And today is Coffee Monday, or sorry, yesterday was Coffee Monday. I'll have to pull a sticker out for that. And today is $2 Tuesday. And, oh, where did my Washi Wednesday go? Wednesday is Washi Wednesday. Let me see where I put those stickers. I thought I pulled one out. Maybe I didn't. There, I did. So Wednesday is Washi Wednesday. I'll put that down. And I did some reading yesterday, so I'm going to put this little reading girl. She's Ava, and she's from Sabai & Co., another Canadian shop. So, oops. I covered up my Coffee Monday. Let's see if I can pull her up without ripping the page. If you're very careful, you can get stickers up without ripping. And I think I might have done it. A little bit of a rip. There. So that's it. That's my, I've got a little pen clip here, pen loop, and that's from Clippy Chick Creations. So that's what my week looks like so far. It'll fill in as I go along. My little planner charm from TabbyCatClips. You'll find her shop down below as well. So this is it. This is how my week looks so far. And it'll fill in as I go along. Thank you for joining me. Please take a moment to like my video and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll know when my videos are uploaded. Thanks for spending time with me. Have a great day. Bye now.